is Tempak Sewu. If you want to see Malang Waterfall, you cannot be afraid of heights. The world's most underrated waterfall. This picture is of Tempak Sewu, a tiered waterfall that is located in East Java, Indonesia, with Mount Semeru, an active volcano in the highest mountain in Java, in the background. The Glildik River, which flows down Semeru, is the primary water source for the waterfall. Tempak Sewu is loosely translated to mean 1,000 waterfalls in the Javanese language. The name likely originated due to its appearance of many different waterfalls in one single semicircular area. So I've got my car here. Flew in last night to Surabaya, Indonesia from Brunei. Bandar, super easy flight, about 2 hours. And it's about 6:30 now, 6:37. Today going to Tempak Sewu. So it's about 4 hours from Surabaya, so a bit of a hike. So this is the village right before Tempak Sewu and the waterfall. Quaint little village, not a lot going on. Everybody's just kind of chilling, hanging out. Started in Surabaya, like I said, then to Malang, and then here. So about 3.5 hours total, 4 hours, something like that. It's a nice ride though. There's a lot of rice paddies, rice terraces, the rural Indonesian landscape of East Java. It is windy though and tipsy and turvy, especially coming from Malang. So if you're prone to car sickness, maybe skip this waterfall. But that's Southeast Asia. I feel like everywhere is tipsy and turvy and curvy. Just waiting here, and I'll go up to the waterfall in about half an hour. So actually go to 3 areas. We'll go to Galatates, probably saying that wrong, smaller waterfall. And then the Blue Lake, don't know anything about it. Well, we'll check it out. And then Tempak Sewu, the larger waterfall. So on our way now, or on my way now. Just a few convenience stores. Yeah. If you go to Tempak Sewu though, it's adventurous. You gotta walk in and out of waterfalls and stuff, so be ready for some adventure. I, on the other hand, thought I would not be doing this. I don't mind, I actually like it, but wasn't prepared. So from Malang If you want to see Malang Waterfall, you cannot be afraid of heights. Follow this orange thing here. Yeah. So this is the shot. So I wanted to offer my final thoughts on Tempak Sewu and whether or not I think it's one of the world's most underrated waterfalls. In short, yes, I do. I've been to a lot of the big waterfalls in the world, and those that are often listed as the most stunning in the world. Plitvice Lakes in Croatia, Vic Falls in Zambia, Iguazu Falls in Argentina, and Niagara Falls in Canada. For me, Tempak Sewu is just below the ones that I just named. It is an experience. Tempak Sewu is not just a waterfall where you go and you look and it's a big waterfall and there's one area you are and then you walk away. It's something like Plitvice Lakes and Iguazu Falls. It's a whole complex to enjoy. It's a whole adventure. That's what Tempak Sewu is. It's an adventure. You climb up and through waterfalls. There's boulders you need to jump. It's almost canyoneering, but it's all worth it in the end. It has a beautiful end site waterfall, and you can enjoy mini waterfalls along the way. So for this reason, as an experience and as an adventure, and as a stunning waterfall, I do consider Tempak Sewu one of the world's most underrated waterfalls. Easy.